How to see open snaps again. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can see open snaps again on your Snapchat. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first open up your Snapchat app and then go to chats, and here first I'm going to open this snap and then show you how to open it again. So now I have opened this snap, and now to open it again, tap on this snap, tap on this chat, and then here it says hold to replay or save. So if you want to view that snap again, press and hold on the snap, and here you will see replay option. Tap on it and this snap is loaded again to view. So tap on it to view, and you should remember that if you open the snap again, the receiver will also get a notification like this: replayed your snap. And so this is how you can see open snaps again. Thanks for watching.